Okay, today we're going to compare these two 6-inch calipers. So let's get started. Use primer right here. I got some of this for you.
5W30.
Oh, it's good for like 45.
Good for storage.
That's air floor cleaner.
Out of body.
Air intake.
Okay, I want to do a quick review on the 6-inch digital caliper. I just got this from Walmart. It just came in. I ordered it online. It was $2.88 plus tax, free shipping. So I said, hey, that was a deal. I ended up buying 4 of these. And I'm going to compare it to the Harbor Freight model that I've been using. So let's open her up. She comes in this cardboard sleeve, paper sleeve. And what it does is it measures down to hundredths of millimeters, whereas my other one measured to only tenths. And it comes in this nice plastic case, so you won't lose it probably. It'll keep it in good shape. It also came with 2 of these batteries, which is LR44, and I already put one in here. They just slide this over. They fit right inside there. Yeah, it's nice. This is a stainless steel. Let's do some measurement comparisons. See, I'll measure this filter media. 0.83. Okay. On my Harbor Freight caliper, I would get 0.8 probably, because it goes by tenths. Okay, 0.84. Let's try this. There's an O-ring gasket. I got 6.51. 6.89. Let's try with the Harbor Freight. See what we get on this. Turn it on. See, I get 6.5. Six 6.59, 6.6, 6.83. So I get a little more of a, these ain't exactly totally accurate because, if you press on it like hard, 6.63. I can if I start squeezing on this, see what I mean? But I'm trying to just touch it. 6.5 when I just touch it. Do this one again. See, that's just touching it. 6.96. And let's try a can. Okay, 0.89. Just touching it. 0.89. Touch it on this one. You get 0.9, 0.8. See, it jumps by tenths. So you get a more precise measurement with this one. Now let's check out the weight of these. Got that in grams. Okay, here's a Harbor Freight. And by the way, the Harbor Freight costed $9.99. That's 5.9 grams, or actually it's 59 grams. And this one's much heavier, 155 grams, because of this stainless steel. Nice tool. Yeah, it goes right to 0. Nice. The Harbor Freight one is nice too. It's nice and light. It served me well. Works good. But it just doesn't have as good of a measurement there. Like I said, this goes by tenths. This goes by hundredths. Also, I'll put a link down below to where you can get this. Last I looked, they were sold out, but I'll put a link down and see if they're still there. So I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.